Hello everybody, how have you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into a MetaBank account with your Netspend account. Alright, so it's pretty simple, it's not complicated at all. Just watch our video until the end carefully and you will understand how you guys can do that. But if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. So the first step is you want to search for MetaBank login with Netspend. Make sure you click on this, because if you go to the ordinary login page, you have to log in into a Netspend account. If you want to log in into a MetaBank account, then it's not going to work. So this is for ordinary Netspend login. If you want to log in into MetaBank using Netspend, click on the second option where it says open an all access bank account. Once you're over here, basically what you want to do is at the top right corner of your screen, there's going to be a login button. You want to click on it, and if you want to activate your card, you can click on activate in order to activate your card, but we don't want to do that. We also have made a video on how you guys can activate your card. All right, now remember, it might take you to a similar looking page like which I showed you before, but this is going to be different. All right, so over here you need to enter your username over here of your MetaBank and the password of your MetaBank account over here. And over here, if you tick mark remember username, then basically your username will be remembered. And every single time you come to netspend.com, netspend.com will remember your username, so you don't have to type it every single time. So you just have to type your password next time you visit this website. All right. So with that, click on login, and you should be able to log in into a MetaBank account with Netspend. And if you forgot the username or password of your account, you can click on username for username and passport for recovering your passport. And if you don't have a card and you want to sign up today, you can click on don't have a card, sign up today. And if you don't have a card and you want to sign up, then you can click on order a new card. And it says order a new card because in order to sign up into Netspend, you need to buy Netspend's card first. All right. So after you buy it and register for it, your account should be created. So that's basically how you guys can log in into MetaBank with Netspend. If you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.